top 3 best niches for faceless YouTube channels. This is not a tier list and will not be presented in any certain order. Let's get into the video. With so many untapped niches in the news genre, you could easily find a subject to niche down and focus on. For example, you could literally start a news channel reporting on world events, niche down to only cover certain world topics, and you're good to go. The only downside in this niche is that it's impossible to make evergreen content due to news being all about current events, and you have to post videos fast as possible, as much as possible, and then having those videos become irrelevant fast. But posting on current events and focusing on quantity over quality really shines in this niche because you can grow fast, and that's what makes the news niche great for a first beginner friendly faceless channel.
2.
Believe it or not, gaming channels is still one of the easiest channels to create and blow up on YouTube. All you will have to do in order to be successful on a gaming channel is to find a way to stand out. If you play, for example, Farming Simulator, don't just turn on your recorder and start recording you playing it. Come up with a challenge. Instead of making a let's play for your first video in Farming Simulator, you can make a video, How I Made $1 Billion Selling Silage in Farming Simulator. That title is very unique and eye-popping. When a person scans for a video to watch and someone sees that 1 billion and then reads out the rest of the title, they'll be more compelled to click and watch how you did it versus you making a video where you just casually playing Farming Simulator. The biggest downside to this faceless niche is once you are monetized, you have to diversify your revenue in other ways because the payouts of gaming channels from ads are so low compared to other niches. A gaming channel is a great first channel as long as you remember with every video to stand out among all the other competing gaming channels that also play the game you play on your channel.
3.
If you are great at writing and throwing clips together with some sound effects, you could easily start a video essay channel, which turns out to be my favorite kind of content. The video essay community is great, and you could easily reach out to bigger channels for help, and they'd be glad to lend a hand in areas where you are stuck at. This niche is great for evergreen content because depending on your niche, you could do a video essay on a topic that will still be relevant even 6 years down the line and still produce views and the almighty watch time for your channel. The big downside of video essay channels is that they are a lot of work. This niche is for more of a very special kind of person that don't mind constantly learning new skills and writing out essays, as well as doing the voiceover. And yes, I said do your own voiceover, especially if you want your video essay to be truly evergreen content, because we don't know when will YouTube crack down on AI. That's exactly why you will never hear an AI voice on none of my channels. All of these niches are great faceless channels to start as long as you remember how your niche works and who is your audience. You'll do fine in any of these. Go ahead and like and subscribe for more content like this one coming out soon. I'm out. Peace.